everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today is the day I'm bringing my car in for paint. I'm kind of nervous, but kind of excited because you always get those butterflies and stuff. But we're at Starbucks right now. My lady's getting something to drink, so shortly we will be on the way. It's only gonna be halfway done. Hey, progress is progress, right? We're at Apex Wet Works, about to drop the car off right now. The homie Martin's car is right there chilling. Yeah, Tegra, S2K. JDM front. So I went ahead and dropped the car off for paint. They said the turnaround time is probably gonna be like around a week. Gonna try to align the bumper kind of, because my bash bar is, for the USDM front end bash bar, it sticks out where the JDM bumper kind of curves around it. So he's gonna see what he's gonna do for me. Probably send me a couple pictures and maybe try to fix it for a little bit extra. But man, it's really happening. I'm kind of excited, but at the same time, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, but. All right, guys, so we made it back home. I have the side skirts here next to me, and basically what we're gonna do today is put this trim on. So the trim that I had put on my HFP rear lip is the same trim as this. I'll go ahead and put part number here for you guys, just in case you guys are curious. We're gonna get these wiped up because they've been sitting here for literally months, and we'll go ahead and put the trim on. Now, for those who are wondering what I'm using to clean my side skirts, this is Meguiar's waterless wash and wax. Great thing about this stuff is you can actually use it on a dirty surface. It actually lifts the dirt from underneath. That way you don't scratch the paint. I do recommend folding the microfiber in fours, so that way when you're done wiping the dirt, you can flip it around and use a cleaner side. That way you get the best results.
Oh my God! Wow!
Just a quick update, I went ahead and cleaned the inner rim with some glass cleaner. And this is just to get rid of a lot of the dust that was caked up on the inside. And now I'm gonna apply the trim. Here's what it is without. And then this is with the trim right here. So, like I said, I'm into details, man. Any little bit that helps, man, And I know you can't really see it right now, but once it's on the car, you'll be able to see it. But it just gives it that extra, just that extra something that, not everybody's willing to put in the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other one. Pretty hot right now. Kind of want to just bang out the other side skirt. If you guys want to see my HFP rear lip install, I'll go ahead and place the link down in the description so you guys can check that out. Also check out all my other videos. This is only part one. I will continue part two when the vehicle is done and painted. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you again for checking in, subscribing. All the new subscribers, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 600 subscribers by the end of next month. So we'll see how that goes. Very soon my car will be painted. So it is exciting. Things are moving. See you guys in the next one. Peace.